Hey guys, today I'll show you step by step how to make a powerful alcohol mini stove using just 2 regular aluminum drink cans. This is the perfect DIY solution for camping, your garage, backyard, or emergency situations when there's no electricity or gas. Let's get started. You'll need 2 identical cans, something like energy drinks or soda. Start by removing the paint from one of the cans using sandpaper or a metal scrubber. This isn't just for looks, it helps avoid any nasty smells when the can gets hot. Next, take 2 matchboxes and stack them. That's the height we'll use to mark a cutting line around both cans. Use a marker to draw a straight line all around. Then, using a sharp utility knife or razor, carefully cut off the top sections of the cans. Go slowly to keep the edges smooth and safe. Now, in the bottom of one can, this will be the base, make a small hole in the center. This will be your fuel filling hole. In the top part, the one we'll insert, make several small vertical cuts along the edge. This will let it compress slightly so it fits snugly into the base. Time to assemble. Carefully squeeze the upper part and slide it into the base until it fits tightly. You should now have a compact, sealed mini alcohol stove. Next, use a push pin or small nail to poke tiny holes around the top edge of the upper part. These will act as burner jets. Flames will shoot out from here when it's running. Let's test it out. Use regular ethyl alcohol, not methanol or anything industrial, that's dangerous. Fill about 2/3 of the stove through the center hole using a syringe. Seal the hole with a coin or cap so the vapors don't escape. Place the stove on a safe surface. Pour a little alcohol into a can lid and light it. After a few seconds, the metal will heat up, the alcohol inside will start evaporating, and the vapor will ignite through the tiny jet holes. Boom, the stove is now running. You'll get an even, powerful flame, great for boiling water, making coffee, or cooking light meals while outdoors. This thing weighs almost nothing, costs just a few cents, and actually works. If you like this DIY project, smash that like button, subscribe for more cool builds, and let me know in the comments. Do you want to see another mini stove, a portable burner, or maybe something totally wild? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.